Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So now that my eyeshadow collection is done, after I get done with the eyes, typically what I do is I will start to do more color correcting, concealing under the foundation and stuff like that, cleaning up the eye area. Yeah, I mean, there's really no right way, wrong way of doing what needs to be done first. People like to do their foundation first and then do their eyes. Nothing wrong with that. I started out doing eyes first when I started doing makeup 20 years ago. Jeez. And I've always done it that way. Or I will do complexion first and then I will really do more of something more editorial, blown out, draping in from the eyes into the cheeks or whatever. But I figured I'd go ahead and start off with none other than the Fenty Beauty. What are these? The Match Stix highlight, conceal, color correct, and contour, and bronze. You can actually use some of these as bronzer. So I figured I'd go ahead and do like a little demo of what they are and stuff like that. But yeah, so that's what this new series will be about. All right, so the Fenty Beauty Match Stix. Jesus, what are these called? Matchstick. Anyways, they're matchstick. Why is that so difficult? Matchstick highlight, concealer, and bronzer slash contour sticks. Beautiful, beautiful packaging as usual. Magnetic, awesome, amazing. And I actually did. So this is actually caramel, which is the cool tone, and this is a warm peach, which is the honey. I think, did I use this one? When I was 10, I was actually using warm honey as kind of like my color corrector because it's a warm peach. What more can I say about that? And then the caramel, as you can tell, I've actually been using this one a lot more. Ooh, getting pretty near. These actually I really do love. I think these are very practical, very user friendly, to be honest. I mean, they're magnetic. You can even get the brush that they what do you call it, to go with it if you wanted to. I mean, that if you really wanted to, if you wanted everything Fenty Beauty. But yeah, I mean, then you have like your highlight, contour, or your color corrector, concealer, bronzer, whatever, and then a brush to go with it. So I mean, these videos, it could be a little bit more easier, straight to the point. So what other colors do I have here? I have wheat, I have ivory, suede, I have amber. Amber is such a beautiful contour shade, to be quite honest. Latte, linen, maple, porcelain, espresso, bamboo, and mocha. I think maple bamboo was a neutral, which kind of made me look a little bit more sick. Maybe that could be my color right now. As you can tell, it's like more yellow on camera. Their neutrals are a little bit more yellow, which is, their coloring is a little weird to figure out. I mean, this is the espresso, which obviously I haven't used. It's very warm on camera. Okay. I need to get the caviar. Caviar, I think, is the new one. The deepest, more cool tone. Here's the mocha, which I have used. Ooh. Yep, that's the win. So this is the mocha. I can use that as a bronzer, to be quite honest. But I do want to do a little bit of a demo with these, with any one of these that I'm doing. Maple. Was the wheat also pretty good? Because I know they came out with, when they first launched these, you had a light, I think a light, medium, tan, and deep type to choose from, which came with a highlighting, a contour, or a concealer, contour, and then a shimmer stick, which was actually very beautiful. And that's actually how I got into having this mini. And then from there, I kind of built around some other things I wanted. Bamboo, maybe maple. You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and go in. I mean, look at the colors so far. That is just so beautiful. And these are definitely more cream to powder, which I love. You know what? Let's do caramel on this side, which is kind of weird. See how warm that is? And this is a cool tone. So just right in there, boom, boom, boom. It's caramel. And I actually just like to blend these with my finger up into the brow bone area. And these definitely really melt into the skin a lot more using your fingertips. Perfect. So that's caramel. I mean, not too bad. Not too shabby. And then, figured why not? Fenty Beauty bronzer. Boom. Look at that highlight graphic. So dirty. This is Island Ting. See how warm that is? For it being a cool tone. But let me just go ahead and bronze up a little bit. Add some warmth. And this is typically like on my no makeup, or when I used to wear makeup living in Vegas. This is what I used to do. Island Ting. I think I was Caramel. Or Caramel Cutie or whatever it was when I was living in Vegas. Perfect. So yeah. So that is caramel. I mean, I have a shadow on this side, so it's like adding some structure to the face. It's not too bad. Now, let's do honey, which I think is a little bit more darker. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more darker on this side. Oh, this is that warm peach. Perfect. There we go. Do what you guys do. Get the finger. With a lot of my concealers, I always just go ahead and use my fingertips. Just because I feel like the warmth from it really helps to blend it in a little bit more to the skin a lot better. Perfect. So these videos will just be showing you what I use in my kit. This is what I use for me. Also for more of my models on all of my shoots. Perfect. And then same thing again. Caramel, no, Island Ting. Yeah, Island Ting. Gosh, I really lost my color. Perfect. Something just very simple, very easy. Gotta get the temple. And I think the next time I go to Germany or France or any other place that has Fenty Beauty, I do want to stock up on a few more items. And then like literally what's left over on the brush, I just do this. Do that. Keep it very simple. And go over with another brush. So yeah, here's the difference between the colors. So caramel and then warm honey. I think caramel is actually doable. Warm honey. Warm honey has a little bit of oomph, which is really nice. And then caramel is definitely more of just more, is that more my color? Yeah, caramel is definitely more my color if I were to use that now. So, yeah. This is the first concealer that you guys get to see that I use on a lot of my models. So yeah, very simple, very easy. And then from here you can actually go on with the, was it the Pro Filter concealer, which were amazing. I actually did use that and I used it all. I might get that again. No, I have too much concealers. I have way too many. So this is the Fenty Beauty Match Stick Highlight, Conceal, Contour, Bronze thingy, dig. Like this, I could definitely use more as a contour. You know what? Why, since we're here, why the heck not? That was mocha, or was that suede? I don't know if suede was like really, really warm. Let me see here. Yeah, suede is definitely hella warm. Let me go with the first. I think that was mocha. I'm pretty sure that was mocha. Where is the mocha? So for this, just to there. Just to there. I'm just going to use a bronzer brush and just really bronze that out. The thing about this one though, you really need to, I don't have the right brush to really, oh there we go. See? Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. I would even use more of a blush brush to blend that out, but yeah. So the mocha, and this side is just strictly the, as I use whatever's left on it. The Island Ting, yeah. So mocha as a highlighter or a contour. Yeah, great to have in the kit for other makeup artists or even for other everyday people. This is one of those palettes or products that, yeah, it's just amazing to have. Yeah, that's the wind. It's very windy today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little demo. I mean, this is me. The only filter I have on is whatever's on top of the front camera. So I don't use filters on my videos because I embrace the beauty and I embrace the flaws. So yeah, that is that. That is the Match Stix concealers, highlighters, like all the above. So you know, the warm honey isn't too bad either because it adds that warmth. But yeah, great array, great shade range for consumers, but also even as professional makeup artists, or if you're an aspiring makeup artist, this is actually great to have because you could pick easily 5 to 6 to start out with to use strictly as a contour or as a color corrector, which is great to have. So you can easily pick at least, I think they recently came out with new color correcting ones and also some new contour shades, which is amazing. So yeah. And there will be a video of how I do my contours also, so, or what products I use for contouring and stuff like that. So yeah, but yeah, I'm actually really living this. I need to get more of these, that's for sure. See you guys next video.